So tired. Molweni guys. So if you watched the previous vlog, you'll know that Lebit is from that. We are going to start a new vlog. Woo! It's a new week. This is Aikala. And yeah. I want to remove the makeup Kesana, but I look so nice. But Desana guys, first of all, iyabanda and ndiqalisa uba nezanto ngoku. Ingoyi laa nto like yeah. And so it's getting cold and my nose is kind of blocked. So you just check here. So nje, I'm struggling with that. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I didn't even greet. Aibo. What kind of person am I? I didn't even greet my Faves. Hi Faves. My name is Nkosazana for those who don't know. And I'm just taking you to this is a lifestyle channel, lifestyle, DIY, homemaking, all things home. I hope you like it here. I hope you stay and I hope you like it. So if you haven't caught up yet and you're like, hi, well, this girl, why does she look like this? It's because I am from a shoot. So just watch the previous vlog and you'll get the context of what's happening. Anyway, I still owe you guys an unboxing for things that I got at Dischem. So remember in that vlog, in the vlog before the last one, I did say that I got an SMS got Dischem and then they called me to come get my free baby bag. So I just wanted to show you guys what's in there and a few things that I got from that sale, but it's just that I couldn't vlog that day after I came back. I was so tired from the walking, so I still owe you that, but I think I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. Now I sit for a long time with makeup chair and I can feel it. I can feel it. So I'm just laying my head now, but I need to remove this makeup. Let me just show you what I use to remove makeup, but yeah, monally I'm sure it's going to give me problems because it's proper professional makeup. Usually it takes just a quick wipe, micellar water there and there, and then it's done. But let me show you. Let me just get my makeup bag quickly. Yeah, so this is what I use to remove my makeup. My eyes are so red. So I'm also thinking I have a blocked nose because of this makeup. So I'm going to use this Nivea wipes. Then I'm going to use this Garnier vitamin C cleansing water. Micellar vitamin C cleansing water. This is what I use. I'm thinking of putting an oil first. Babes, my oil.
Unfortunately.
Kukala I think ndandikade ndifaka i-baby oil ne? No, i-bio oil. I don't trust the oil enayo yekamanala oil. Andifuna uba ne-allergic reaction. I'll just use what I'm used to using and then I'll see if it works. So this is the makeup remover wipes easy kwazona, so you don't really need to do this because they also just remove makeup. So let's see if this will work. E-oil is to just quickly remove it. Yeah. It should be clear. Join, I guess I need a pen. Let me just charge here. Yeah, should be good. Okay, let me remove my makeup quickly. Siqale ngebrows. Siqale sisuse brows. Ukwazile kodwa girl yazi umatcha intamo yami nobuso. Bendiwandarish uzoyenza kanjani because ndiqonda intamo ubuso bukhe bumetshwe nentamo and sana intamo yami imnyama kanjani. Qha ke sana undibonisile uba girl sit down. I know what I'm doing. Kuyasebenza ke guys inis. I don't need the oil. I'm vlogging my life. I don't need the oil anymore. To go up emehlweni. My eyes are so red. My eyes are so red. Oh guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Let me just remove this makeup, relax, and we'll chat kakuhle tomorrow. Yeah, when I show you la goodie bag. Bye bye. So embarrassed because it's a few days later. In the last clip, that was Sunday, I met up with my parents. So at the beginning of the day, I was so relaxed, watched some series, colored in my coloring book, and then later on I met up with my parents who were here in Joburg for a funeral. So we just went out, Yeah, we went out and then we came back. Then after that, I was just way too relaxing because I'm still not on leave, and I promise you guys, I am hanging on for my dear life. Please don't mind bonnet. Yeah, I'm literally hanging on for my dear life, guys. It's the last month before my maternity leave, and oh, India Eva, I can feel it. Vlogging is becoming a job and a half, and the main reason is that ndiyatinwa, I get tired. I get tired so easily. I nap in between, and yeah, so that's why I've been MIA for the past few days. But yeah, I'm back now. Currently I have I just took a shower, but yeah, the toilet. Okay, so today is a Friday. So I'm currently just going to start cooking. The time is 4 o'clock, and I'm going to start cooking supper for today and then lunch for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Sabbath and I just need to prep for that, because tomorrow I won't be cooking. I'll be going to church. Guys, and then on Sunday I'm traveling home, which is going to be my final traveling. I've already requested for a free to fly note from my doctor so that at airport they don't give me any hassles. So I'm probably going to go print that out today. Yeah, when my husband gets back though, just need to cook quickly then sizorhamba, because I need to get mushrooms. Yeah, I just need mushrooms honestly for what I'm going to cook. You're getting into corner. Yeah, I'll just show you the final meal, but basically plan is to cook rice, so brown rice, butternut, patties. So I'm going to make potato patties, and then I'm going to make beetroot, and then I'm going to make sabu soupnyana, stewnyana. I'm not going to make it chakalaka sana because I already did that last weekend and I don't want into baba yabo. And then I'm gonna make that when khaleli green salad, but I'll only show you the final plate for cooking part. I'll just take snippets of me cooking, but I won't show you the whole thing because this vlog is going to be long and I don't want it to be long. It's just snippets of what I've been up to. I'm not really cooking in this, but that's what I'm gonna do. And then I thought today, I did promise you guys that I'm going to show you the Dischem bag, Econi bag. Let me show you. Econi bag, ne? Here's the bag. Bag Econa, ne? The bag is here, but the problem is the time to sit down and film this bag. If I say India travelation on Sunday, that means I'll probably show you when I get to East London. So please, I wasn't truthful. That is on Bonisi bag. But if I have a chance tomorrow to do it, I will show you. But it's never too late. I'll probably do a separate vlog for that. Yeah. Then I need to pack. Indian confuser, guys, yes, and don't. Indian confuser is the fact that right now there's a few clothes that fit me, and I don't want to carry clothes that don't fit me. But after I give birth, what am I going to wear? Because galoku, maybe the clothes that, yeah. So I'm just going to carry a few things because my suitcase is not that big, and I think I'm just going to be in my pajamas and gowns most of the time. So yeah. Let me do what I need to do before I fall asleep and get tired and get lazy and do nothing at all, because that's what happens as well. So I just wanted to come here, update you guys what's happening, and then I'll probably b-roll all the other days, so that at least see coverisha. But if there's a few minutes at the end of the vlog, I will slot in la baby unboxing. Sorry, I don't want to ube ngathi ndithethe into ndithi okay ngizokwenza into ethile and then I don't do it. Yabo, don't wanna be that person. Anyway, let's do this. Go and send a ball of energy. The best of energy, and I want to use it wisely because it doesn't last. It doesn't last. It doesn't last. Even now, I'm just wondering, how am I gonna do this? But I'm gonna do it. I am gonna do it. Let's go. Let us go. I'm on a postnet. It's the airport and it's in the morning. Yeah, it's in the morning. And Utebi, uyangishiya. Prior.
No, I'm gonna
mommy. Ooh. Hi. Sivukile chomi yam. Morning. Hi guys. It's the next day, and yesterday I just got home and I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to rest. I had a very early morning, so I just decided to rest for the rest of the day. But now, I just want to shoot and show you what I have in my Dischem bag. But I'm feeling a bit nauseous. Feeling a bit nauseous because I don't know whether it's a symptom. I don't know whether it's a symptom of last few weeks of your pregnancy, but immediately I do anything physical kakhulu, yabo. For example, now I just climbed up the stairs and I just had porridge as well, and already I'm feeling like I was knocked down by a truck. So let's just get through this. Let me put you guys on a tripod and then we'll chat. Just now, let me just catch my breath. Oh my word. Or also just try and get a glass of water. Ooh. Yeah. Hi boy. I just got out of breath and then started getting nauseous, but I'll be fine. I'm gonna be fine. I'm fine. Let me just put you guys on this tripod and then we'll chat. Yeah. See you now. Hi guys. So welcome back. I am back now and feeling much better. Oh my gosh. What was that? I felt a bit weird a few minutes earlier, but I'm fine now. So this is the Dischem baby bag that I got. So I got this Dischem baby bag. This is how it looks. Quite big and nice. I like that it also has these pockets, to store your stuff in. So it's quite nice. And now once it's empty, like towards the end of the video, I'll show you what's inside. I'll show you the space inside, but now let's just take the things that are out, that are inside the bag. Sorry. So they gave in this bag, I think bags differ, I think bags differ, like what's inside the bag differs. So this is what I got in my bag. So I got this Pampers newborn nappies. So this pack is a pack of 27 diapers. It's size 1, which is 2 to 5 kgs newborn. So that's what is inside there. They also gave me this sample. So it's a sample for the Bennett's baby bum cream. Let's see if it can focus, but it's the Bennett's baby bum cream, and then it's the Bennett's aquas cream. So it's just a sample for that. Okay, I think they're all unscented. Let me try the bum cream is a bit scented. Yeah. Okay.
And then there's this Philips Avent pacifiers. So it's the 0 to 6 months one. And then there's okay, let me start with the baby stuff. Then there was the surgical spirit, Dischem surgical spirit, and then they gave me some baby wipes from the Baby Things brand. So it's a pack of 40 wipes, and then there's, yeah, same brand as the wipes. They gave me this travel size, so it's the travel size baby lotion, and then baby oil, and then baby shampoo, and then body wash. So these are all travel size. And then they also gave me the samples for the baby aquas cream, and then they also gave me the baby aquas cream glycerine soap. So these are just samples. Then for mama, they gave me what are these, Ganen? Is it nipple pads? Yeah, nipple pads to prevent breast milk leakage. And then they also gave me maternity pads, and then I also got this disposable underwear. They are large. I'm not sure whether they will fit, but there's also this disposable underwears. Hopefully one size fits all. And then there's this baby on board sticker as well. So inside the bag, this is how big it is. It's quite big. Yeah, well, it's quite big. It's got a compartment, this one here, and ouch! And then it's got this changing mat, which I think I have 2 of these. If you've watched the previous vlog, the other bag that I bought for myself also had it, so I will not be buying it anymore. I think this one is practical. You can travel with it, and so yeah, that is what's in my Dischem bag, and that's what I got, and that's what it looks like. It's got these handles. It's got these handles. It's also got the longer strap to which you can adjust according to what you want it to how long you want it to be. So definitely going to be using it, and I'm so excited. Yeah, so that's what's in my Dischem bag. I hope you enjoyed this short clip, but I just wanted to show you what to expect in your Dischem bag. So basically these things you can register as soon as you find out that you're pregnant at Dischem. So you can go on to Google, just search Dischem. I'll see if I can find the link where I basically registered. So you basically registered there, and you need to spend about 1,000 rand at Dischem, and then from 28 weeks I think they will contact you when your bag is ready. So yeah, that's what you need to do. So you need to buy, so the baby stuff that is excluded from the 1,000 rand purchase, it's baby bottles, baby formula and stuff. So the 1,000 rand, I think it includes like toiletries and but the website does detail what it excludes and what it includes. But I will try to put the link in the description box where I registered for my Dischem bag, if anyone would like to do the same. And if you're seeing this and you've been buying things from Dischem, I'd highly recommend that you at least gift yourself, register and see what happens. Yeah, so basically that's it. So that is what is in my Dischem bag, and that is what I got. Yeah, if you haven't yet, please subscribe for more baby plugs, baby hacks, and my whole journey basically. I'll be sharing every hack that I have and what I learn along the way, because I also don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning as I go. But one thing I vowed to do is to make sure that I plug you guys with anything that I learn along the way. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the vlog, the small Lanyana unboxing. I forgot to show you one more thing that came with the Dischem bag. This snack breast milk storage container also came from there. So that's the one thing I forgot to show you. What else? Yeah, that's basically it for the Dischem bag. And then I got a few things that I still needed to get. So I got the bottle brush. I also got this bottle brush. Yeah, and then I got this baby formula container from Snookums, the brand. So I got this. It's a baby formula container, just that one that you can use for traveling purposes. Then I also got myself nipple cream. Also got myself the sweet oil. Yeah, sweet oil. Then I also got myself the disposable nappy bags, just for traveling purposes. Yeah, for nappy disposal basically. Apparently they are fragranced. Yeah. And then I also got this breast milk storage bags from, so this is the Pigeon brand. And then I got a baby bottle. Got that. By mistake I took two of them. I think we thought we were, I don't know what happened to two, but when we got home we found two, but it's not a train smash. But this is basically for 0+ months, so just for a newborn. I only bought so plan was to just buy one, but by mistake we took two. So the reason why we took one is because we also didn't want to buy bottles that the baby won't like, you know. So we decided to actually just get bottles that we'll buy bottles. So if we are and then if it works, we'll continue with the same brand. Then if it doesn't, we buy another one. So that's also a tip that I got, which I think is it makes sense. Same as nappies. With regards to nappies, I didn't really get a lot of nappies. We currently just have a newborn. So if this newborn nappies work and we can see that the baby's not reacting to them and stuff like that, then we'll continue to buy the same brand. But then if it's not working, we'll just move over to the next one. But I didn't want to pile up on things that we might end up not using and then having to return them and stuff like that. Yeah. So now I think with regards to little Baba, no, we tried, we tried. No, we tried. to prepare. But yeah, obviously at this point, we'll, if there's anything that we've left out, we'll get it as time goes on. Yeah, well, as the need arises, then we'll buy something. But I think we've tried to buy the basics of the things that we think we might need, and then as we'll see them as time goes. Now currently plan is to just rest, take care of myself, prepare my mental state, because I have a lot of emotions currently going on: fear, excitement, fear of the unknown really, and wondering, will I be a good mother, because I've never experienced what I'm about to experience. But I have faith. I've been praying. I've also been asking family and friends to just continue to mention us in prayer, as we get to the end of this journey and start a new one. Anyway, the next time, I'm not sure what kind of video will follow after this one, but I'll see you on the next one. I just wanted to wrap up this vlog that I've been doing. But yeah, basically this is how my week went. So now I'm currently at home. I still need to nest, to just prepare the room that the baby and I will be in, just to make sure you're in the right. I think one thing that I still need to check out, the chest of drawers that we still need to check out, so that we can store using, because now what I am just anticipating is the fact that we will run out of storage, because there's my clothes, and there's the baby's clothes. So I think getting a chest of drawer will be an investment, like it will just help us. So if I can get that, and a few more things like a baby basin and stuff like that. But I'll take you with me too and just show you what I get up to. But I'll see you on the next one. I will definitely do a recap of first, second, and third trimester, what the differences are, because most definitely there's a difference. Like, I'm no longer feeling the same way I felt second trimester. So I'll just do a recap of all the 3 trimesters and then just let you guys know. But currently I'm on 3rd trimester and I'm just feeling so exhausted. Like, I feel like sleeping and just relaxing the whole time. Like, I always have sleep, like my eyes, like if I can close my eyes now, it will be too late. Like, I'll sleep, And yeah, I also haven't decided on what I want to do with my hair. Yeah, so I haven't decided about what I want to do with my hair. But I'll see. I probably will just relax or just take these off and then have them again, because they're quite low maintenance, like not sure the lighting is not really good at this point. Yeah, I can see my face is getting a bit swollen now. Yeah, I'm just yeah, guys. Anyway, we will get back to, because the main point of this channel is DIY and stuff like that. We will get back to that, but currently this is the phase I'm currently in, so this is what I'm doing. I'm DIYing this mother thing, super excited to see how things will pan out, because obviously there'll be changes in my lifestyle and how I did things. But to those people who subscribed, I promise, like, I won't really, it's just that now I have a new addition to my life, but definitely nothing will change, but more new content will come in. So still homemaking, and having a baby is part of that, so I'll take you guys along. Yeah, let me close up this channel, this video. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for the support. I see your kind comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In the previous vlog, I was just, it just felt, and as we too, like when we went for that photo shoot, it just felt like, I don't know, like I felt some type of way. I was so happy, scared. It just became so real, you know. Just became so real. But yeah. Anyway, let me end this video here. Thank you so much. If you haven't yet, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed the content, please share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.